Covert AI review. Hey there, welcome to my review of the Covert AI app. This is a website builder which lets you create complete websites using AI depending on what niche you want to choose. So in this video we are going to dive in to look inside the members area of Covert AI to see exactly how it works and the main features and the pros and cons of this software. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I've been earning a full-time income online with digital marketing for over 10 years now. So I've seen lots of these different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you check out Covert AI reviews. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below, click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really cool way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with Covert AI, basically it's an AI website builder that lets you create your own websites to promote affiliate programs in any niche, or you can create this for your clients and sell the services on the likes of Fiverr.com, for example. With Covert AI, let's just log into the members area. Basically, what I quite like about this system is you're not using a subdomain that the vendor gives you. You are actually encouraged to use your own domain and hosting to create your own website from scratch and have complete control over that. So whilst this is a bit more of an advanced strategy than the typical newbie may be comfortable with, I think it is very well worth doing, learning how to buy your own domain and hosting and having full control over your website. So the first step in the training is basically to search the niche you're in, the marketplace type of products you want to promote, and it will give you suggestions for domain names that are available to purchase, and then you can purchase your own domain name, get your hosting sorted up, and then the next stage is to upload the template for Covert AI depending on the website you have got generated. So what they do in the training is show you how to use a WordPress plugin to download the file of the website template they give you. So it's all in one migration is the WordPress template plugin you're going to be using. So you'll log into your domain and hosting for your WordPress website you've just created, upload the file Covert AI give you, and then you'll have a website up and running with the basic template, WordPress template already there for you. And then you can use that in conjunction with Covert AI to add content to the website you have just uploaded. So it's basically quite a simple WordPress website with categories at the top, a logo, a headline, and then you've got blog posts and pages which will be populated once you add pages to your blog. So this is the basic look of the website from scratch that you'll be starting with, that you'll upload to your new WordPress platform. And then once you've got this template, you'll be logging in to the Covert AI members area and filling in the content of the website. So you'll select categories. So these are the different sections you're going to have on your website. You may have a products review section, different categories for certain niches or certain sub niches based on your marketplace. So you can add the different top level categories to your website title at the top here using Covert AI in the members area. You've got the legal pages to add at the bottom of the website to get all the legal pages ticked off, which is quite a cool feature, which a lot of website builders don't tend to include. Then you've got the AI content generator, which gives you a chatbot to interact with to create content you can copy and paste into your WordPress website. It looks like a chatbot in terms of how you would interact with it, similar to ChatGPT. So you could potentially use ChatGPT or something similar for free to create the content instead of having to go via Covert AI in the members area. However, what I do like it is they've got these prompts. So they give you recommended prompts to use to get the best quality content. So you can copy and paste these prompts into the box, tweak it depending on what you're promoting, and it will help you write your article with the use of the AI chatbot in conjunction with their recommended prompts. That's quite a good, nice little feature, is these recommendations of how to actually prompt the chatbot to get the best possible content. You've got the content poster, so you can actually post and schedule the posts to go onto your WordPress website. You've got an AI image generator, so you can use AI to generate an image and use that for your blog posts, and you've got the license rights to use those images, so that's quite a good feature. So you've got images to go along with your content. You've got videos where you're basically searching YouTube for videos that have the license rights to reuse, and then you can upload those videos or embed them onto your website and use that as content. So all in all, I think it's encouraging to have a product launch that encourages people to build their own WordPress website on their own domain and their own hosting, so they've got complete authority and control of the website. They're not just using a subdomain, which are very unlikely to rank using a subdomain of a product launch vendor. However, the steps you're going through are very basic. You're basically just learning how to create a WordPress website, add categories and add blog posts to it, where you don't really need a paid product for that. You could do that for free using free YouTube training. So I don't think the software of Covert AI actually adds much to it apart from some simple WordPress training and some AI content generation tools. It seems to be a bit disconnected from this members area, and you logging in separately to your own WordPress website. You don't necessarily need to go via the Covert AI members area to do that. However, for complete beginners who have never gone through that process themselves and want help with some sort of training to help them and some AI content tools to get started with, then there is some value for a newbie to get started creating the very first website with Covert AI. Also, websites nowadays are very hard to rank, especially for newbies creating their own new WordPress websites. So use the content you generate with AI or other means and get that out there on other social media platforms that are already ranking well, that have already got high authority. Don't just wait for your own small website to rank over time. That could take a long time. Get content out there all over the internet, all over social media platforms, guest posts, paid posts. Just get your content out there on websites that are already ranking well whilst you build your website up along in conjunction with those other marketing methods you are using. Anyway, hopefully my Covert AI review was of help just to clear up exactly how this works and what strategy you'll be actually using inside the members area of Covert AI. If you want to discover how I've been earning a full-time income online from home for over 10 years now with digital marketing and my number one system to focus on right now, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really cool way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my Covert AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.